everyone, this is Avinash from AndroidPure.com, and today we have with us a new smartphone from a new Indian company. This is Hive Buzz. Hive is a new startup in India, and they have launched two smartphones just a few weeks back, and today we are having the retail box of Hive Buzz. This is the higher variant, you can say, of on the two smartphone that was launched. The other one which was launched was Hive Storm. We'll be unboxing it in a separate video. You can check that out on our YouTube channel. This is Hive Buzz, which is basically priced at around 13,999 rupees. You can see here. This is the price, approximately 14,000 rupees, right? So let's unbox it. Before we unbox it, let's have a look at the box itself. So here you can see the box tells you some basic features of Buzz. Some of them being a function called touch to call, using which you can use your fingerprint to customize fingerprint so that you can call your contacts just by touching the fingerprint sensor. Apart from that, it comes with TrueLove battery. It also comes with Aqua-Res water resistance. It is powered by stock Android, and it comes with Hive Care, which is basically the part which deals with after sales service, right? So for Buzz smartphone, it comes with 2-year standard warranty instead of 1-year warranty that comes with a conventional smartphone. Also, it includes 1-year pre-bundled insurance against damage, which means that it comes already with an insurance that can help you in case you damage your smartphone, for example, screen damage and other kind of damage, right? Or theft. So basically, it comes with that kind of insurance. You need to check though the particular terms and condition of the insurance, right? So let's open the box, and also, so as you can see, it comes with quite a different kind of box, right? If you see here, it is box, this is the Buzz box, and this is your Hive Buzz smartphone. Here a small logo tag is there which tells you that it comes with a 2-year warranty and backed with 1-year insurance, right? We'll just pull out the smartphone. This is the smartphone Hive Buzz. You can see in terms of design, it appears quite different. If you look at the back panel, right, the buttons here are placed in a different way compared to normal conventional smartphone. We'll check out how good or how bad it is, right? So we'll just put aside the smartphone and see what more we have in this box. So here you can see there is nothing else here, and in this one you have a earphone which do not appear premium, to be honest. It's just a normal earphone. Apart from that, you have the micro USB charger. Sorry for that. It is basically a USB-C port charger. So this comes with a USB-C port, Hive Buzz. Also, you'll notice that the quality of the wire is quite good, and in fact it is quite sturdy, and in terms of quality we haven't seen something like that on a mid-range smartphone, right? Apart from that, you have the manuals here. This is the user manual. And let's see if we have something else here. So basically this is the adapter that comes with the smartphone, which can be used for charging the smartphone, right? We'll see if we can find out if it's a fast charger or a high amperage charger or not. So you can see this is a 5 volt and 2 ampere charger. I'll just zoom it out for you, right? So basically it is a power adapter, and we assume that it can charge rapidly with greater output of current, right? So we'll just keep aside everything and check out the smartphone itself. So this is your high buzz. We assume this is the power button and this is the volume rocker buttons, right? This is the camera, right? This is the 13 megapixel main rear camera. It comes with an HDR sensor. This is LED flash. Apart from that, it comes with this is the fingerprint sensor. We are not sure what this is. We'll check it out later on in our detailed review. These are the speakers at the bottom, right? Apart from that, this is basically the micro SD card and SIM card slot. We'll also check that out in detail in our review. So we'll just close that down for the time being. So we'll just power on the device by pressing this power button, and as you can see, the device has booted. It comes with the Hive logo and with powered by Android at the bottom. So till it boots up, let's talk about the hardware specification. Here you can see the retail box gives you the hardware specification. It is powered by an octa-core processor. This is a 5.5-inch full HD screen with mirror vision and 2.5D arc glass curved display, right? It comes with 3 GB of RAM. It comes with 13 megapixel camera. This is the 13 megapixel camera and the 5 megapixel front camera. Apart from that, it comes with biometric security and USB-C type port. This is the USB-C type port. It is closed with a rubber cap, but here you can see this is the USB-C port, right? Apart from that, it comes with dual 4G micro SIMs here, dual 4G micro SIMs. With VoLTE, it comes with a VoLTE support. In terms of operating system, it is powered by Android 5.1 Lollipop, and it is guaranteed to get an upgrade of Android 6 Marshmallow. It also comes with water resistance IPX4 rating, right? So the device has booted. Let's just quickly go through the setup. We're just skipping everything to get to the home screen. And, sorry. Here you can see this is the home screen, and basically it comes with stock Android with no bloatware or any additional apps that are pre-installed. Let's check out the settings here. You can see everything is stock Android, which is a good thing. We at Android Pure normally prefer stock Android, but your preference may be different. But at Android Pure we prefer any smartphone which comes with stock Android operating system, right? Here you can see the Android version is Android 5.1 Lollipop. Let's check out the storage. The storage here you can see is 16 GB, out of which around 9.36 GB is available. Here you can see that you can set an option to preferred install location of applications, etc. So that you can set a SD card if you have inserted a SD card, or you can use just the phone storage by default, right? The battery capacity is not here. We'll check it out and check the full detailed review for more details, right? Apart from that, here you can see different options. So as you can see, it comes with the default stock launcher, that is the Google launcher, and it comes with the usual Google application that comes on with stock Android. There is no additional applications that are installed, right? This is the default camera. Basically it comes with some default what you call tutorial. So here you see this is your default camera. We'll just try to take a picture, right? As you can see, the shutter is not so fast. It's just you can click with moderate speed, but in terms of quality of the camera, it appears quite good at the moment. But we'll be checking out the camera in much more detail when we do the full review. The app you can see is the default stock camera. There is nothing special. It comes with normal stock options. Here you can see different modes. Right. This is different kind of modes that you can use. So one thing you'll notice that this comes with rubber covers or backups for every port that is coming with the phone. For example, this one, the USB-C port. Similarly, at the top you have the audio jack, 3.5 mm audio jack here. Here also it comes with a small rubber cover that you can just cover it up, right? So that's it. That was our unboxing and initial impressions. We'll be just checking out Hive Buzz in much more detail when we do our detailed review. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon with another video. Thank you.